when we came back after this exercise and when we realized what could be the potential opportunity for small and medium businesses from a technology perspective, we created this chart. We said one is we need to provide and enable them with a set of devices that will help them to access the software solutions. That's what we call as layer one. As part of ION, that I run in TCS, we do provide the device layer, all those devices that are required for SMBs to access the technology solution. Second is the connectivity layer. Having given the devices, we also connect them. We also provide them the both the devices side of the network, like the routers and switches and things like that, and on the service side, the broadband connectivity and things like that. The third one is the entire set of common office-related applications. So every small business requires email, requires a domain, requires chat, probably requires a document management. So all of those things that are required to run an office. That's what we call as layer 3. And in layer 4, you slowly move into business applications, which could be a finance, accounting application, HR, payroll, and customer relationship management, and all of those solutions that slowly start surrounding your business, right? And then in layer 5 is what we call as the core applications, which will include the manufacturing ERP or a retail ERP based on the domain in which the small business is running. And then you also have what we call as L6 layer, which is analytics that integrate all of them. And then we created later on another layer called L5P that really helps these small businesses to integrate with their customers and the suppliers in their business itself. Now, if you typically look at the SMBs walking in a tightrope, so I have just one slide. There are a number of challenges that we talked about these SMBs go through, and the most important thing is they walk on a tightrope from a capital perspective. So what we have done is given a set of 5 key takeaways for you very quickly. Number one, it's always, if you're a small business, it's always easier for you to rent your IT than own it, because it's not worth owning the IT, which gets obsolete very fast. The second thing is it's always good to select for fit-for-purpose solutions rather than scale-down large solutions, right? That's not the right approach that you want to take. You want to look for fit-for-purpose solutions. Third, in this way of service model, it's always good to build as you grow and pay as you use, rather than the reverse of investing on technology in big way. The fourth one is always look for integrated IT, because silos of product packages are very difficult to manage and it will not take you to the next level. And finally, ensure that the solutions are constantly configurable, because if there is one competitive advantage for small business, it's their ability to change. Don't put a very, very hard, large solutions that kills your ability to constantly change. And hence, you need to look for solutions that are constantly configured.